Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So yesterday we were at the mall and we decided to get this NASCO washing machine. It was on sale with 40% discount, and I think it's a twin tub washing machine, and we'd like you guys to see how it looks like. So we are going to unbox it. So let's start with the unboxing. I think there's the manual here. So it has two openings, and it has certain instructions, and certain, should I say, handles, or I don't know. And there are certain things inside this space. Have a look. Can you see? This was in it, and there's this. Then yeah, that's all. So I think the voltage is 220 to 240 volts, and its rated frequency is 50. The net weight is 16.5 kg, and the gross weight is 19 kg. I think the dimension is 745 times 444 times 865 mm. Yes. So this is the NASCO twin tub washing machine. I think here it has a writing on the top as the air dryer. So I think after you put your clothes in here and it's done washing, you put it here to air dry. So we would have a closer look at the machine and how it works in our next video. Thank you for watching.